hold up, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, minute, Honda, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, short for wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from HAIRVIVI. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. So change of scenery. I am at my mother's house because I am doing laundry, but I was like, I might as well film content too because her little bathroom is cute. The little aesthetic. You see her little shower curtain? Cute. Shout out to my mama. But yes, this is the inside of the wig. So as y'all can see, this hairline, chef's kiss, baby, didn't do nothing to this hair. Like, look at the hairline. I did not pluck a hair, a nothing, okay? So if you are thinking about purchasing this wig, y'all, straight out the pack, y'all can throw her on just like I'm about to do. So y'all seen in the inside of the cap that she did have an elastic band, the glueless band that you can kind of wear this hair glueless. So I ended up doing that, but also I did, for my girls that want durability and longevity with the wig, I did show you guys how I glued down the wig if you keep watching the video. So I did give you guys two choices. If you want to wear it glueless, this is how I did it, and if you want to put your spray, your adhesives on your lace, your wig, I did that as well. So I decided to go with a side part. Now with me filming in other places, my mom obviously didn't have everything that I needed. So I had to go to my local beauty supply store and go get a new hot comb. This hot comb is amazing. I really, really love this hot comb. It was only $20. I needed a wax stick to kind of really make that wig kind of flat at the top, but I used my Nairobi foam and mousse to kind of calm her down. I really love this color too. I don't even know how to describe this. This is like a ginger brown chestnut, like, this hair color was so pretty. And not to mention, this texture on this wig is a yaki texture as well. So if you like yaki textures, this is the wig for you. So there I am, being nervous about cutting the ear flaps off because I hate when I have a good perfect wig in my hand and then I just cut the lace too much, or I overpluck, or I cut pieces of the hair. It just messes up my day, y'all. So I was trying to be real careful with this. I am putting my Fenty Beauty in the color 420. Like, y'all, do you see the lace? No, y'all don't. I promise y'all do not see this lace. Only if I certain angles y'all gonna see it. But y'all, Again, I am using that Nairobi foaming mousse to lay the lace down in the front a little flatter instead of adding glue, because the lace was a little stiff, and it was sticking out. So just putting any type of like something wet, mousse, water, will lay that lace down. I didn't get a chance to use my elastic band, but yeah, I feel like you can kind of get away with that, especially if you're just trying to put on a wig and just show it off for video purposes. But if you go outside with this and you do this method, that lace will still come up. So that's why I ended up wanting to show you guys how it looked when I put adhesive on the lace as well. So I'm back at the house, and y'all see I got my wax stick, so I can finally lay this flat the way I need it to lay. So the hair did kind of fall a little bit, while transporting her back to the house. So I did end up putting like, little waves, little curls in her, nothing too defined or anything. I didn't want to put too much product in this wig because I just really love this texture. I love how soft it was. So I really didn't want to add heavy product onto it. So overall, I really did love this wig. I have to check the site again for the price point. I will put that in the video as well. I really enjoyed how easy it was to put this on. Mind y'all, I did no plucking at all. So all y'all see me do was just tint that lace and just go. I love wigs that you're able to kind of be versatile with, especially when it comes down to the application of it. Sometimes you want to put glue on it, sometimes you don't. And this is the perfect wig that you can either do one or the two. The texture was beautiful, the color was beautiful. This hair was extremely soft, very manageable, didn't shed, didn't tangle. And I honestly didn't have no cons as of now, because I am still wearing the wig and I straightened her. So I'll let y'all know how I feel about her. I would like to thank HAIRVIVI for even sending me this unit so I can review for you guys. If you are thinking about picking her up, everything about her will be in my description box below. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel and supporting me. So thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga, A1, baby.